You are going to love the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible occupant rollover protection, power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, compass. Come see the car for yourself.